All right. How's everybody doing? Running a little late today. Sorry about that. But thought we'd do a little country today. So just changing it up a little bit. One of my favorites. It's Garth Brooks, old school. Um, the dance and tomorrow never comes. Looking back on the memory of the dance we shared beneath the stars above. For a moment, all the world was right. How could I have known that you'd ever say goodbye? And now I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives are better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance. Holding you, I held everything. For a moment, wasn't I the king? If I'd only known how the king would fall. Hey, who's to say? You know I might have changed it all. And now I'm glad I didn't know the way it all would end, the way it all would go. Our lives are better left to chance. I could have missed the pain, but I'd have had to miss the dance. Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch her sleeping. She's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the light and lay there in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake up in the morning, would she ever doubt the way I feel about her in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will she know how much I loved her? Did I try in every way to show her every day that she's my only one? And if my time on earth were through, and she must face this world without me, is the love I gave her in the past gonna be enough to last? if tomorrow never comes. 'Cause I've lost loved ones in my life who never knew how much I loved them. Now I live with the regret that my true feelings for them never were revealed. So I made a promise to myself to see each day how much it means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell her how I feel. So tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of, if tomorrow never comes. Yeah, little Garth Brooks for you. Always like to do different genres. Just never know who's out there, so I'd like to switch it up. This one's this next one is man, I forgot his name. So, I'm so in love with you. James Arthur. That's right. I met you in the dark. You lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away. We drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. And then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye, and I'll thank my lucky stars for that night. When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Whoa, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, and I hope you know, darling, your love is more than worth its weight in gold. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown. And I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out, and I promise till death we part like in our vows. So I wrote this song for you, now everybody knows. And I wanna stay with you until we're gray and old. Just say you won't let go. 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 Yeah. Yeah. So it was James Arthur there. I hope I'm saying his name right. So yeah, that's please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. It means the world to me. Appreciate it if you liked it. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow, 2:30. Thanks a lot.